in another place Krishna says, Ahanga bija pada pita. The all living entities, sarvajonishu kaunteya sammavanti murtaya, tasang mahajjani brahma, ahanga bija pada. Ahang, the person. He is just like the father gives the seed in the womb of the mother and the child comes out. Namely, sarva bhutana, not only human being, but also all living entities. There are 8,400,000 species of living entities. The original bija, the seed giving father is Krishna. Therefore Krishna is international or inter-universal. Krishna is not a Hindu or Indian or this or that. Krishna is for everyone. So I have explained to my foreign students, America, European and Africa and other, that Krishna is for everyone. Don't take it that Krishna is for the Hindus, for the Indians, or for the Brahmins or the Kshatriyas. No. Krishna is for everyone. Therefore, our society's name is Krishna consciousness. So our only request is that take Krishna as the original father. Original father. It is very easy to understand. As I have got my father had got father, his father. Who is the original father? The original father is Krishna. Ahanga bija pradapita. So where is the difficulty to understand? There must be one original father. If you go on researching who is the original father, then you will come to the conclusion that Krishna is the original father. Ishara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radi Govinda Sarvakarana Karana. This is the Vedic verdict. Sarvakarana Karana. Father's father, his father, gone. You come to Brahma. Brahma is considered the forefather or grandfather, Pitamaha. But Krishna is addressed in the Bhagavad Gita, Prapitamaha, even the father of Brahma. Prapitamaha, you will find in the 11th chapter. Prapitamaha is father of. Tene Brahma Rida Adikavaya. You know, those who are conversant with the Shastras, that Brahma's another name is Swayambhu. He is not born of any material father and mother. He is born on the lotus flower sprouted from the navel of Mahavishnu, Garbhodak Sai Vishnu. Therefore his name is Swayambhu. Swayambhu is one of the authorities because he was first educated about the Vedic knowledge by Krishna or Vishnu. Tene Brahma Rida. Brahma means Vedic knowledge. Tene means imparted. Adikavaya, the Adikavi, the original person. Tene Brahma Rida Adikavaya. Muihanti Suraya. Even big personalities, they become bewildered to understand Krishna. Therefore Krishna says, we have already discussed, Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschid jatati siddhaya jatatam api siddhyanam kaschid vettiman tattata. So Krishna is the supreme person. Krishna is the original of everything, original source of everything. That is the verdict of the. And therefore Arjuna accepted. Sarvametamritang manne jadvadasi kesava. My dear Krishna, whatever you are saying, I accept all these in toto, not deducting, not giving my own commentation. This is the way of studying Bhagavad Gita. So if you study Bhagavad Gita as it is said in the, and if you accept it, then your life is successful. Otherwise, panthastu koti satavatsa sampragamma vayurathapi manasu munipangavana You'll never understand what is God or what is ultimate source, what is absolute truth. So, the Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all Vedic literature. Because after all, Vedic literature means Veda Ishta Sarvai Aham Vedam. To understand Krishna, the absolute truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is the purpose of Vedic study. So, the Supreme Personality Himself is giving the knowledge of the Supreme by Himself, personally. Therefore, we are preaching this Bhagavad Gita as it is, Krishna consciousness, and the easiest method is to chant Krishna's name. Easiest method. It is recommended, it is not our manufacture. It is said, when Maharaj Parikshit learned all the defects of this Kali Yuga, then he was little disappointed how this man or the person, man means human being, how they will be relieved from the miserable condition of materialistic life in this age of Kali. Because it is all defective. It is stated in that chapter that in the Kali Yuga, the mlecha rajanna rupina bhokkhashanti praja sarve. The government will be all mlechas, not the Kshatriyas, mlechas. Mlecha rajanna rupina, they will take the post of government service. And their business will be bhokkhashanti praja sarve. They will devour all the prajas. And in this way, the prajas will be so much, distressed that gachanti girikananam. Gachanti girikananam. They will be so much, harassed that they will give up their home and hearth and go to the forest. That time is coming. That time is coming. It is no more that Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya. Therefore, human civilization, there is no human civilization if there is no such division as Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, Shudra. That is not human, that is animal civilization. Chaturvarnam maya system. Everything is there. Social, political, economical, all solutions are there in the Bhagavad Gita. But unfortunately, it is our property. It was spoken in India, and it was deserved that all Indians should learn it and spread the knowledge all over the world. The rascals are doing nothing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered, Bharat bhumite manusya janma hilaja. It is for the perfect human being. Janma sarthak kari karo paropakar. The other parts of the world, they are in darkness. So, there is great necessity of spreading the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita all over the world. The customers are also ready. So, if you want glory of India, if you want to glorify your life, just study Bhagavad Gita as it is and spread it all over. You will be honored. Single-handed, whatever I have done, they are thinking wonderful. And if we have got many, many persons to go outside India and preach this gospel of Bhagavad Gita, they will be benefited and you will be glorified. Your country will be glorified. This message of Bhagavad Gita. It is a fact, it is not story. So, people are fed up with this wrong type of civilization. This is not civilization. Ahara nidra bhayam, day and night. This is also warned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma jadindriya pritaya prinoti na sadhu manne jato atmanayam asannapi klesha deyasa deha. Rishabdev said, but these rascals, pramatta has become mad. Nunang pramatta, kurute vikarma. Always engaged in mischievous activities. These rascals, these materialistic persons.